found. Touch of smoke and what it seemed. Dust and sunshine can also make my eyes look mean. But there's a brown cat even to this day show. The topping off the wood pile, breathing slow.
Hey traders, welcome to episode 422, right? Isn't that the lame joke? If you miss 420, don't be sad because in 2 minutes it's 422. I think that's what they say. Whatever, man. Yeah, it was great. Great episode last night. Holy crap. A lot of fun stuff was going on, but here we are on Saturday night. Hope y'all are having a good one. We're just looking at XRP live. What? Yes, that's the name of the title of the show, okay? SEO. No big deal. All right. Strategize. And it's working, man. It's working so well. I'm proud to say, as of today, 57 new subs. Over 42, I think over 4,300 views now. Just in the past 24 hours. So that is the best numbers I've seen on Social Blade. I think really since, like, you know, the beginning, like the very beginning when I just started the channel and everyone was just like exodusing over to the channel. I don't think we've seen numbers like that since then. And so, or maybe if Bitcoin was like dumping tremendously, you know, like that capitulation, that crazy 50% drop in 5 weeks, we were getting some days where it was nuts. You know, people were subbing that, but like, dude, no volatility really today, and we're doing that. That's great. That's what you're looking for. Okay, you're not reliant on the market. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, man, you gotta be really, really happy about that. Excuse me. Okay, sweet. So we're looking at XRP to the US dollar right now, and we're gonna look at Bitcoin pair. You know, we did a 5-minute analysis on it a couple days ago, and we're very, very close to that entry target. Remember, that's the Bitcoin pair right here. US dollar pair, huge spikes, right? But the peaks keep making lower peaks, and we keep making higher valleys. Okay, Bulkowski likes peaks and valleys, highs and lows, also fine. Pronouns. Hey, at least he's not using vague pronouns, all right? Pretty specific pronouns. I like those. So, lower highs every time, but somehow, some way, you're finding support that is upsloping, but it's not just upsloping. Look left. Where are we holding? Extreme amounts of chop back from June of 2017, August 2017, October, and November of 2017. That is also where we're holding support for now, and it's not gonna be easy to break that stuff, especially after the tremendous amount of selling we've had for so long. When you finally get back down to these levels, it's gonna be more difficult to break below them. Okay, so we're working on it though. I mean, every time we hit it, we bounce, but every bounce, every time is much weaker. So you're getting towards the apex. The apex is really where you have the downsloping trend line and the upsloping trend line where they converge. That is it right there at the apex. And so you're about probably safe to say around 90% of the way through the maturation of this price contraction. So we know the big move is around the corner. Bacon. Tasty last name, man.
Just say no to drugs. Well, if I'm talking to my drugs, I probably already said yes.
That's a great point, Crispy Bacon, man. Great point. Do we have 422 jokes going on now? Should we just do it, man?
Is that a joint?
I mean, we'll do it. It's okay. You know, don't be scared. But yeah, that's a good point, dude. If you say no to drugs, you're probably already talking to your drugs. Chat, remember that. Because you just don't know when you're randomly going to be high on drugs, I guess, right? Is that how life works, Crispy Bacon, man? I don't know, man. Anyway, interrupting Bacons. You know where we could run, right? Even if we ran up, and this is the thing, if we see, people are like, we're freaking out yesterday because we broke to the upside, because Bitcoin broke to the upside as well as other alts. All it did was bounce off that 30.5 cent range and run up, and it hit this down sloping resistance, right? We had it like this, but you know, and we used it like, okay, triangle clearly, but you broke it, and we just extended it out, and you can clearly see resistance, right? And what did we do? We failed to break it. Failed to break it. Okay,
Is that a joint?
Dan and Melissa, thanks so much for the 2420 contribution. That is definitely a marijuana's contribution. Okay, thank you for the 422 or something. Wow, guys. Hey, we were supposed to get severe weather, but it crapped out. Well, the thing is, severe weather where I live, it's like the sun is very important. Like if you don't have the sun, chances are it's probably not going to be really severe. Now we see night tornadoes and stuff, but where I'm at, man, it's all about the afternoon sun. Okay, so also hold on, dude. I'm reading stuff, okay? Okay, good. Okay. All right. So you see what I'm saying, man? Like, if we broke to the upside now and hit these old areas, remember, if you remember, this was an old trade setup we had. It was not just a harmonic. It was also a downsloping channel. We broke out. We hit the 50% in 618 on Christmas Eve, right there. Mr. Lodick.
I'm banned from chat. I was wondering if there's a reversal in the charts. I was banned when there was the falling out, and I took the wrong side at the time.
Game of coins, baby. Game of coins. Well, we'll just treat it like your ancestors or your father or mother made the choice, and you're just a victim of this. What's your name, dude? It's okay, dude. It's Game of Coins, man. We know that's how it is, dude. Okay? Crazy world we live in. We're on season 6, dude. Okay? So you were probably what? You were part of the battle season 4. I think it was season 4, right, chat? That was the whole issue, right? Okay, with that, okay, it's okay. Let me look at this, Mr. Lodick. Thanks for the $5 worth of Bitcoin, dude. The cryptocurrency contribution. Much love, dude. You're wondering about if there's a reversal in the charts. The charts, right? So the charts is very vague. One could consider it some sort of pronoun. And you're probably asking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, remember, if you weren't around, we've been talking about the downsloping structure of Bitcoin since November. We were talking about it before the Gartley, really. And eventually, you'll get exhausted on selling. I guess we can just go to it. After Bitcoin, I'm going to go to XRP to BTC, okay? So don't be mad, but, you know, it happens, okay? Let me show you, dude, okay? Because this is just a reiteration of the analysis. I'm going to turn the music down, too. It's probably really loud. Sorry, man. It's tough, dude. It's right at that threshold where it's too loud, and I can't control. Dude, it's like worse than Counter-Strike sensitivity, dude. I can't get it. I can't get the sweet spot tonight. It's all messed up. That's the best I can do. All right. It's probably still too loud. Whatever. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, man. When you lose over half your value in 5 weeks, that's really, really bad. Tons of technical damage done, right? It could remain bearish for some time, but when you start consolidating, you don't want to consolidate while downsloping, right? You do not want to impulse down and then consolidate while you're downsloping, because what happens is no one thinks there's any value of shorting again. People that made their money on the short here will say, hey man, why would I short again down here? No one else is shorting. We're clearly making improper consolidation, so we're not going to do it. And so eventually what happens is the selling pressure dries up and you get a huge explosion to the upside. What? So proper consolidation is impulse down, and you contrast the impulse with your consolidation, which is not anything that we did before, right? I don't even know. What happened to my music, man? I think you can hear it. That sounds pretty chill. So that's really what happened right here. All right, you do the whole, it's like the smoking thing. No smoking. No smoking. Right? And then this is, then you do the check mark. Right? Check mark. No. No. Okay, so we got that. And here you are. Right? And here's a good way to get perspective, Mr. Lodic. Fallen infantry of Game of Coins. It's okay, man. When look at it like this, huge impulse up. When you upsloping your consolidation and then you're making lower highs than your previous highs, you can't make higher highs. Exhaustion. Okay, bearish Gartley here. Sell off, bear pull, bear flag, or pin it, sell off again. And then you double top off the area, the structure, right, that was once a support became resistance with a double top. You see what I'm saying? And really, from the low point to high point, you have not made a 38% retrace, 50% or 60% retrace. Remember Fibonacci? And I hate it because I know people that regularly view the show, they know about fibs. They know this analysis, right? But the thing is, we keep getting new members and people asking that are yearning for education and yearning for those answers. So look, while we're looking at the daily here, the high point to low point, the golden zone, from any high point to low point, or low point to high point, is between a 38% retrace and 62% retrace. Have we gotten there? Nope. We've only really gotten as high as the 236, and the beauty is we're above the 236 right now. That's a very important fact, okay? We're above the most shallow of retraces, 39.21. So eventually, I think it would make sense for us to hit 4,400 to 5,200, because that is the area where the smart money here, where they went short, they will be looking at these fib nodes to go short again, because prevailing trend has been bearish and it remains bearish. This impulse gave us confirmation that the bearish trend continues. Okay, that's what this did right here. So hitting 5,000 is not bullish, not really. Hitting 5,000 is just hitting between the golden zone, a retrace, a proper retrace from high to low, so people get areas of value to go short. Do you see? That's it, dude. That's so you're saying, is it reversal in the markets? Kinda, yeah. But it's only to maybe set up for retraces for areas of value, because it's too high of premium down here to go short. It doesn't make sense. Too high of risk. We need lower risk situations to go short again. Understand? Okay. Let me know if that helps. Thanks, dude. And rest in peace. Or maybe you can be born again. I will get the Red Priestess on that. Right? Red Priestess! Let Imlotic be born again. The Lord of Light, Kappa. Alright. Let's go to XRP to BTC. Check on it. How's it doing, man? So promising. So sexy. We're still getting there, man. We're still on the way. Let's go, baby. What's going on, though? Like, why is the... Okay, let me make sure this visibility is good on the daily too, because this is pinpoint accurate, all right? Let's go back to daily. Hey, it's like the shaman music, right? It's like the, I feel like we will retrace to the upside soon on XRP. Okay, so we're not quite there. We're not at the 1618, nor are we at the 786. The 1618, excuse me, from B to C, the fib extension, nor the 786 from X to C. That is the zone right there. The zone of entry is between 7,089 and 7,300. Okay, so not quite there on XRP. This is just to give more analysis on XRP, since it's XRP live. What? We're live, baby. We're live on Ripple. Okay, so just waiting for the most appropriate area. I understand we had a daily death cross, but that's a lagging indicator. If we get down to these areas, there's very low risk involved with this beautiful harmonic. Man, I'm talking, this thing has been developing since October of 2018. Many months, this development. And that's why I think it's going to be pretty freaking reliable when we get there. Just going to take a minute. Be patient. Be patient. Okay. You heard XRP going to zero from experts. Oh, man. I'd love to hear their technical analysis of that. Hey, man. Like, whatever. That's great. It can go to zero. So can Bitcoin. Any asset in the world can go to zero, and we don't really care because we're looking at potential trade setups, whether it's shorting it or longing it. And there were times to short these assets. Yes, there were times. But those times, for now, are higher risk than they were before because the price action, right? So we're looking for low risk, high reward opportunities. That is, we are risk averse here. So if something doesn't look ready to sell off for real again, hardcore, and we understand Fibonacci, the fundamentals of Fibonacci, why would we be taking big short positions at areas where there's very little value for us? Pretty high risk. Okay. Anyway, so that's XRP, man. Wait. One would wait. Another reason why we might want to wait is because, look, left, that zone of entry is near a critical support back from April of 2018. Potential inverse head and shoulders. Quite possible, man. Neckline up here. How lit would that be? How large would this move be up if we could ever hit entry and run to the top? It'd be huge, man. It'd be insane. It really would. Okay. Take a look at some chat, okay? Haven't been able to engage much, or literally any, I don't think. So, I mean, I said, you know, a couple people. Bang a gong, let's get it on. There you go, Crypto Stang. Thanks, man. For the rhymes, dude. So tight, very speed, so sleepy. Just gonna tell me it's okay, dude. What's up, P. Miller, dude? Sometimes you go through life wondering if we are capable of achieving our highest potential at an early age. We will never be able to conquer our thoughts without a moral compass and Bitcoin. Deep, man. Super duper deep. 422.
Is that a joint?
Okay. What's up, Sam Easy, dude? Welcome, man. What's up, Dumb Broad? Where you been, dude? Welcome back. Little Abyssal Whip. Man, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, dude. Jeez. I was not prepared. Beautiful, man. Friggin' beautiful. Give me a sec. Oh, yeah? We'll get your wabi, dude. Okay? Get your wabi covered first. Abyssal. What's up, Brian Griffin, dude? What episode for the Epic Tip War? Episode 142, Sharuba. You might want to watch the entire episode. Even though it's long, it's non-stop. It's just a non-stop thing, but it doesn't get crazy till the third tip jar or fourth tip jar. I can't remember. But yeah, dude, the whole episode was insane. All right. What's up, Skyrim, man? Bob Field, hello. Wait till the bull market. I'm not waiting for the bull market because I don't know if the bull market will ever come again. Not a real one. Not like, oh, we're going to 20K to retest. I don't know, man. And I'm not really concerned about it. But hey, dude, that's the thing. It's like, who cares? That's like the windfall. If it happens, great. But dude, we're still going to make successful trades in those markets that don't have that, right? And we're clearly showing that. So it's like building my live streaming resume in a bear market. Pretty good, dude. Pretty good compared to a bull market. The thing is, it's like the bull market comes TA. Throw the TA at the window of targets. 2618 might be our targets for crazy runs, runaway trends. So bear caffeine, man. Prosperity Plus, good evening to you, man. Rock and roll. That's it, dude. Blue Apex gender pronouns. Oh! 420 part 2. Yeah, Dan, there you go, dude. That's it. XRP could go to 15 because of what, dude?
Been looking at publicly traded mining companies. Can you look at HUT? Reverse Chinese coming?
HUT? Yeah, dude, we'll look at HUT, man. Sure thing, dude. Sure thing. That's the Toronto Stock Exchange, maybe? Oh, good God, man. Reverse Chinese, I mean, you're oversold, but jeez, man. That is so ugly. Oh my God, man. Gross. Yeah, we'll look at it. Let me just get through some more chat and we'll just run on over to it, okay? Since we analyzed Bitcoin and both XRP pairs, we'll do it, okay? What's up, Alonzo, dude? You've been following me for around 7 months. Seen the channel grow big time. Congrats. Thanks, Alonzo, dude, for everything, man. It means a lot, dude. Bye, Field.
Episode 422. Lord Ray, may the force be with you. Feel the force, man. You read the charts and see the future. Thanks for all you do.
I mean, you know, that's not really what it is. It's all about probabilities and... Oh, thank you for the contribution, Bob Dill. Bob, dude. Like, I was about to say Bob Dole. But, yeah, man, it's just about probabilities. And the fact sometimes it works out. I mean, if you keep doing the right thing over and over and over, it's the whole point. It's like, if I keep going live multiple times a day and we keep looking at setups, so though some fail, we know a lot of them work out really well for us. And the whole reason is because we keep using coinciding variables on multiple timescales. It's one formula. It's the same formula. You do it over and over and over. It works. So it's like people are like, why don't you use this oscillator or that oscillator? It's like, dude, because like once you figure out your own thing, okay, and everything works for you, why mess with things that work well? Like I don't feel the need to use stochastic. I don't feel the need to use Ichimoku or other things, right? It's just like I figured like I got my own system. I like it. It's good for me and it's probably good for others. So like, you know, but I wouldn't say it's fortune or future telling or anything like that. It's just really just you're taking a shot that is a small risk with high reward over and over and over again. You're playing the numbers game versus the FOMO game, right? So thank you, Bob, dude, for the 6. That's really, thank you for the kin coin in the jar. Yeah, kin coin. We have our own S coin. Crazy, man. Inverse Jesus coin. All right. How do fish party? Seaweed. Nice crypto stain, dude. Nice. You've never seen a tornado, but it would be epic. Shariba. I'm working on it, dude. I'm working on it. Volume needs to rise significantly. Pogo Dinosaur, what's up, dude? What crypto stain, man? Virginia won. Came in clutch. Hey, who did Kentucky beat Auburn? Please say Kentucky beat Auburn. I hate Auburn. I didn't even know they were in the tournament, man. Pisses me off. Time to play some Dota. All right, you gonna play support? Or you gonna play carry? Late game, mid game? What you gonna play, Brian Holm, dude? I know all about that Dota, man. Haven't played in years, but I obsessed about it a long time ago. I'm Dota 1 too. Dota 1 as well. Holy crap. Yeah, and if you're in here and enjoying the live stream, just hanging out, the vibes, the music, the cipher patterns, potential trade setups on XRP to BTC, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Also the triangle. We looked at the US dollar earliest in the stream. Okay. Oh yeah, you're gonna play the Potom? Potom's pretty good, man. Are you good with that arrow though? You gotta be real good. That's skill shot, dude. Skill shot. So you gonna have a bottle? What's up, Ryan Neal, dude? Hey, Renee, how you doing? What is that, Jimmy Crypto Man? Sorry, dude. I'm just trying to get through it. All right, I guess we'll just go to Hut real quick because it was requested by Kills for a Living. Hut, dude. Pizza the Hut, man. All right, this downsloping channel. I just do 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top. You could probably give it another shot, like 1 and 2 on the top and just 1 on the bottom. I don't know, man. So very, very bad. What are we doing? Okay, so all right. Last time we sold off from a low point to a high point, how far did we go? We went below the 1618 before we reversed our price action. Terrible. Just abysmal, dude. So now what are we doing? From our previous low to high, how far have we gone? It's really candle close to candle close. Can't even use the wick. I'm joking, man. Well, you're below the 1272, and you're showing a little bit of daily bullish divergence. Not much. The volume is picking up. Interesting. So yeah, slight amount of bullish divergence, but we really don't know, man, right? We don't know because it could just continue building, right? The negative momentum and the selling pressure could continue, but it might not. Here's the thing, man. Is that really any kind of bullish divergence? It's tough to say, man, because it seems like that was the low to use, and it seems like bearish convergence. But if you're looking literally at the previous RSI dump to this one, yeah, there's a little daily bullish divergence, I guess, from this low to this low. That's kind of cherry picking, though. This was the major low before the retrace, and that low was right here, and that is a higher level than before, or than this one. So it's like bearish convergence, really. Okay, so I don't know what to tell you, man. It's dumpster fire. Prevailing trend is bearish. Okay, so it's not really not that great. All right, I'm trying to make this pinpoint. Sorry. Where are we at, dude? Where is it, dude? Okay, so 1 and 2. But are you acting like this? Are you saying this, dude? Are you like, is it this? Is it some sort of wedge? Is that what you're asking, man? Remember, we're already in the fib extensions. So you're saying, is it 1 and 2 that converges? I mean, maybe, dude. All right, just maybe. Slightly lower lows than your previous lows, but yeah, man. I mean, there might be opportunity, but dude, who knows, man? It's like it's only been around since March of 2018, man. Like, so a year now. It could be downsloping, converging, but then again, it's like if you break it, are you going to be able to break the 20-day, the 50-day, and then all these equidistant channel trend lines? Are you going to be able to break all that? I don't know, man. It would require an extreme amount of volume to get up there. Okay, so there's your Hut Connect. Oh my god, man, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Anyway, what's up, Melissa? Thanks again, y'all, Dan and Melissa, for the contribution. Y'all are freaking amazing. Okay. Short Bitcoin to 589, sure, but I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Okay. God. Ongoing war, dude. Chat is blowing up. Let me in, Kanatomo. Let me in. Hold on. What am I doing? Sorry. Y'all shouldn't be seeing that. My bad. Dude, I need more screens, man. I'm sorry. Anyway, so yeah, look out, dude. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah. So Danny White, Isra, Julia, Matt Schafferman, what's up, dude? Garcia Vega. Best time is the 1st, right? So we have one more day. So your best day to join the Patreon would be the 1st of April, which is on Monday. All right, so one would want to wait for the best area of value for the Patreon. Okay. Okay, anyway, so, well, let's go to Wabi. Wabi. Okay, downsloping structure, 1 and 2 and 3. You broke out. You broke out. Golden cross? Yep. Where in the world did it cross, though? Really hard to see. What's up, Goshen, man? What's up, dude?
At the Symmetry Center for traders who can't read charts good and want to learn to do other stuff good too, we teach you that there's more to life than being really, really ridiculously good looking. Dash, so hot right now. Feels good, man. Feels amazing, man.
Dash Connect. Dude, Zoolander Connect. Mr. Kanatomo, dude, is that true? What you just said, man, is it true?
I like turtles.
Me too, man. Me too. I like turtles as well, man. Thank you, dude. We can look at Dash Connect. No problem, man. No problem at all. So, sorry, looking for that golden cross was right here. February 15th. So it was right around the same day as Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Bitcoin's bullish golden cross was on the 4-hour. This is the daily, though, so big deal. So a high point, your daily discernible swing high to low. Excuse me. We've hit the 50% retrace, right? 50% retrace, almost 60% retrace. Tons of volume brought in.
Tightening up my S-Coin game with TA, learning it with Lord Ray.
John the Game Man, hey.
Is that a join?
Answer me true, man. Is that a join, dude? Thanks, thank you, dude, for the 420 contribution. Kangs, dude. Much love, bro. Alright. Well, yeah, dude, it's all about the S-Coins, dude. Will my S-Coin rise? Well, it all depends on daily and 4-hour oscillators and coinciding variables. That's really the answer, is it not? And all we have to do is identify that, and we will be Kangs together. That's it, dude. All right? So, bump and run, right? Bump and run here. Kind of, right? You can't really call it a bump and run, I don't think. I think the bump and run, you want 2 trend lines in the top. We only had 1 here, okay? But you can clearly see the momentum shift because that's the beauty. That is the magnificence of the parallel channel, right? All you gotta have is 2 anchor points on the bottom, 1 on the top, or 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, right? So it is clear, it is shown that the market interpretation is nice. And this is literally Momo shift because you broke this parallel channel that others around the world probably had plotted this way. And look what happened. Like as soon as we broke out, we back tested it actually too. Look, man, we back tested it. 1, 2. Look, oh my God, dude. A break, we broke, we hooked. We hooked, bullish engulfing candle, so a break, hook, and go. A delayed one at that, but very real, staying above the 20-day moving average. And here you go. Another bullish engulfing candle to lift off. Another one. And here we are starting to sell off a little bit. Look, you know, a lot of rejection here. This 9,339, right? A lot of rejection.
And the Lord said unto John, Come forth and you will receive eternal life. But John came fifth and won a toaster.
Is that a join?
Jack Goff, thanks for the 333 repeating course. Debated, man. Oh, you got me there. Memes, my only weakness. Sorry, that was probably loud, but thank you, dude.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Thanks. Thanks for the threes, dude. Much love. Alright, so a lot of rejections, 50% retrace. 1 wick, 2 wick, 3, now 4. Alright, would make sense to pull back. And you're... Well, you're making slight bearish divergence, are you not? I mean, it's ever so slight. The slightest of slight ever. Almost Class C bearish divergence, but it is Class A. Because you're making a higher high in price with lower levels of relative strength. Slightly lower levels, but... Nevertheless, it's real and valid. You see it. Bullish convergence on the MACD. It looks, wow, highest spike of positive momentum we've had since April of 2018, a 1 year ago. Record broken, whatever you want to call it, dude. Okay? Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Momo shift. Kangage. I would rely more so on the fibs than I would any kind of bump and run because you only have one touch point on the top. I'd like 2 touch points for the bump and run on the top, and we didn't get that. So you know you're at golden zone levels, are you not? Yes, you are. But then there's probably confluence high to low. Where's the confluence? Confluence right around where we wicked off, right? Right here is confluence zone. Next confluence zone is right here, the 100%, the 382. And the next confluence zone is the 1272 and the 50%, all right? So 3 confluence zones, 1 very, very close to hitting it. We almost did, all right? So those are stronger levels of resistance, and it seems likely we could sell off, or at least hopefully on daily time scale, this bull flag for a week and then run again. And be wonderful, man. Be wonderful. Dude, I like have to go to the bathroom, man. Like, I'm embarrassed, man. I just kind of have to go, dude, all right? And there's nothing I can do about it, and nothing you can do about it, okay? No bedpans, all right? No bedpans. All right, hold tight. Y'all just hang out a second, listen to the sights and sounds of the TA. 2 seconds. Stuart, are you kidding, man? Are you seriously kidding? Auburn's in the Final Four. That's got to be a joke, right? I didn't know it was that deep. Good God, man. You almost scored 100 points on North Carolina? Dude, what in the world? Oh my God, man. That sucks, dude. Jeez, man. Auburn and Kentucky is tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Let's go, baby. It's the Elite Eight, dude. It's not the Final Four. What are you talking about, dude? Stuart, don't you troll me with Auburn. Alright, ever. Can't believe it, man. Okay. What's up, Brandon Carlsness? Welcome, man, to the chat, dude. What is this? What asset was that, man? Let me see here. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's cool. We can do that. APPC app coins. Scrub coins. Oh, we already broke out, man. We broke out. We were range bound, too, right? So it seems. Okay. So rectangle. Like, we were rectangling. Downsloping structure. You finally got out. Golden cross has occurred, right? Golden cross on the daily occurred March 4th, early this month. And here you are, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Great, but what's really going on, man? Where are we? We're right at a critical resistance point, dude. Right at it, man. I'm talking like literally there. There's definitely some sort of zone. Okay, it's resistance zone. You failed, you failed, rejected, maybe premature breakout, higher lows. You're running it again. So you still have a way to go, all right? We're out of the woods, and the problem is higher high, approaching a potential double top with lower levels of positive momentum, lower levels of relative strength. That's not good, man. Come on, dude. I mean, if anything, you're at 62 on the RSI, so if you are going to break the upside, man, it could be a nice run, dude. A real nice run. Fibs, what is that, a discernible swing high? Not really. I'd say the discernible swing high on the daily is up here. High point, oh, that's not it. High point to low point. What am I supposed to do here? Use the fat finger wick? Really? Should use the fat finger wick? It actually kind of makes sense, right? If you use the fat finger weird wick. S-coins, man. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with these S-coins. Alright, so the 236 is the critical resistance point. Okay, I guess. So, and that's the problem. Volatility, wicks like that are the kryptonite to fibs. Okay, it makes it to where like you don't really know the market interpretation of the Fibonacci because of that stuff. So wick to wick, 236. So golden zone between 33.91 and 53.25. So APPC seems poised and ready to maybe retrace. If we're gonna make common retraces, right here. Okay, that's it on your APPC. You're above all three moving averages right now. Great news, man. Great news. Alright, so that's really a 4-hour bullish divergence down here. We had it. I don't know why it's showing here. You have the visibility, you have to manually change everything. Okay, anyway, so see if we can really break it on some higher volume because we're really rejecting it. That high volume did nothing to get us above where we needed to be. Okay, another way to look at it, if you're looking at a rectangle of any kind, easy stuff, right? Low to high of the rectangle. Ooh, thunder. The storm is coming, man. The storm is coming. Alright, so the measure moves really right around that 382, which is the beginning of the golden zone. Oh my god, it's so crazy, man. So crazy. Multiple ways to interpret this. Alright? Okay. Been selling on forever, dude. Go all in on Kentucky. Alright. Here we go. Stuart, you made it for part of the last gen, dude. Kangs, dude. Stuart, you want to have a gentleman's bet? My bet's on Kentucky. Straight up. What's up, Mr. Shaverman? Momo shift? Maybe. Well, on a lot of these alts, yes. We've seen it. APPC. Momo shift. MAs. Look at the simple moving averages on the daily. Oh my god. What's up, Tim C? SD, what is that? I don't understand. Bought Dumpo, no. I don't know, man. Yeah, we're close to 100 likes, right? Let's go, baby, let's go. Less than 12 likes. It's weird. Sorry, just getting through it all. Man, dude, just leave me alone. Give me a sec, okay? Bones 420, man. Thanks for the thumbs up and the 2 beers, dude. Cheers, dude. Cheers. Beers all around. Alright? Been a long week. A hard-fought week, but we made it, man. We did. Yeah, oh yeah, we gotta look at Dash. My bad, dude. Sorry. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Continuing to run. Ladies and gentlemen, above all 3 moving averages now. Broke out of the falling wedge into the symmetrical triangle and broke out of the symmetrical triangle. Now above all 3 daily moving averages. Give me a break. Give me a freaking break. Problem is, daily, overbought. And you don't get overbought very often on Dash, dude. This is the... Technically, now you can get to 70 and it's overbought territory. But this is only the 3rd time on this exchange, Binance Exchange. 3rd time in its history that we've been overbought. So think about that. You don't think a pullback's likely or possibly soon happening? It could. Very well could be happening soon. Great Dash, though. Great stuff, man. We saw this going a mile away, did we not? The Momo shifted. Ooh, the rain's here. Hitting my window. Oh my god. Anyway, from the major discernible swing high to low, you have not even hit a 23% retrace. Can you believe it, man? I can, I guess. It's crypto. 27,413 sats is the 236. You would want to see that. Because if we hit that 236, then we know, at least we know this is a major swing low. Alright. 888, everybody. Yes, 8s for everyone. Bento soup. What about Benito soup, dude? Do I always broadcast this time of night? Yeah, for over a year now, man. 11 Eastern. Over a year, dude. Just digging this music, man. Turn up a little bit on my side. Oh, it's loud as F on y'all's side, isn't it? My bad, y'all. Sometimes hard to manage. Okay. Yeah, random stuff. SD's like quilted northern, grilled cheese, random things. Yes, dude, many random things. What's up, Dev T94? Is XRP about to beat a Jesus man? More so on the Bitcoin pair than the US dollar pair, but I mean, the US dollar pair has been developing a symmetrical triangle for months now, and we're getting closer and closer to that apex, probably about 85 to 90% of the way through the maturation of the development of that pattern, whatever. Okay. Maturation of development. Oh yeah, dude. Pretty cool, dude. What's up, Critic Cash, man? Sorry you're depressed, man. Don't be depressed, dude. Work on yourself. Work on your purpose in life, and depression will wash away. Alright? Find your purpose if you don't have one. Okay? That's it, dude. You have to, man. If you don't have purpose in life, yeah, those depression things can happen to you, man. Okay? Encash Connect, Brian. Now, exactly. Encash Connect indeed, dude. Holy crap, man. If I get blasted, Auburn's in the Final Four. No. Time frame, Abdullah Jaula. Dude, all the time frames, man. It's like we're looking at a daily time scale. It's the same percentage through the maturation of the pattern that it would be on the daily or the 60-minute or the 30-minute. Okay, so you just never know when it's coming. You take your positions and you wait. You're at the bottom of the triangle, one will take a position and just wait. And you might be waiting a long time because Ripple clearly just lacking in volatility out of the yin yang. But hey, that's why you scan other charts. That's why you don't get married to Ripple, so you can take advantage of other alts, okay? $20 of Bitcoin, straight up, Auburn over Kentucky. I take Kentucky over Auburn. Dude, I don't know though, man, because like they scored 97 points on North Carolina, dude. That makes me a little nervous, man. Well, hey, at least they gave up on football. That's all I care about. Wait, so we can just straight up, right? I'm saying straight up. I will pay you. You will pay me $20 if Kentucky just wins by 1 point. But if Auburn wins by 1 point, I will pay you $20. I can shake your hand on that. Give me confirmation. Okay, we'll do it for fun. Okay, I don't even know if that's legal. Doing a live stream, gentleman's bet. Okay. Didn't they make it legal or something? What's up, Danny White? How you doing, man? They are too fast. Auburn's too fast, man. Thanks, Julia. Glad you like the music. Last flight to Hong Kong, SD, man. Be careful, dude. Be careful. People get married to Ripple? What is the update? Dude, I have no idea. I haven't been watching any of it, dude. I'm sorry. Last year killed me, dude. Okay, and Bama being bad at it always doesn't help. Okay, that's my alma mater, man. That's my team, dude. Nice. Come on, dude. Stuart, take it. Take it, man. Take it, dude. You want to go somewhere, dude? You want to go to a happy place? Let's go to a happy place, Chad, okay? Well, well, well. Ladies and gentlemen, Metallica coin is up 12.22%. Repeating, of course. Not bad, dude. Not bad at all. So we haven't broken out from high point to low point of the structure you have broken out of. You are hitting the golden zone, the golden retrace of the golden zone. That is 1119 sats. We're right at it. And the upsloping structure, the upsloping channel, the white trend lines that are parallel together, but they're both upsloping. You're hitting the top of that, and you're rejecting it for now. Looking like T is being pretty well respected if you ask me, man. But hey, Metal Man, one of my top 5 altcoins in the video, dude. Kangs, dude. Kangs. Give me a break, man. We just got a great basketball coach. Are we going to make basketball great again? Elite 8 back in 2004 or something. Yeah, baby. Sauron versus the Night King. Who do I take? There's a lot of variables, dude. I don't think you can actually... How would they defeat each other, right? I mean, like, if... does Sauron have the one ring? You know, like, dude, this is too vague a question. Is there dragon glass in the battlefields? Or, you know, like... Right? Great question, Brian Nowak, man, but... I just don't know. See, Sauron, like, a lot of people get the misconception about his overwhelming power. No, he was an elf at one time, and he was really good at persuading his enemies. And that's like really what Tolkien gave him his infamy for, was his ability to persuade and sway the enemies to make them his allies. Okay, so he was very cunning. Night King just is a crazy, he's like a bomb, man, created by people long ago. Kind of reminds me of the Night King. Kind of reminds me of ideological subversion created by the Soviets throughout the Western education system, right? So the Soviets are gone, they're dead, right? Dead culture, everything. But what the Soviets tried to do, that complete demoralization of generations throughout the Western education by infiltrating the education systems. That reminds me so much of what the Night King is. It's just, well, it's the dead hand that still moves. It's still going because it was created generations ago. It infiltrated, and now it's still there. While communism, not communism itself per se, but the Soviet Union is dead. But everything they pushed, they put 90% of their budget into, you know, the KGB's budget into subverting our education systems. So I don't know. That's like the Night King to me. All right, whatever. Talk to Jordan Peterson, dude. He'll know. He is our Jon Snow, Kappa. Not really. Is it over, man? Oh my god, it is over, dude. Holy crap. Fun Connect. Alright, Tim. Here you go, man. Down Soviet structure. You broke out, but you kept selling off. It looks so similar to many other alts, right? To me, it seems like we are breaking out. Still pretty far away from that 200-day moving average there, right? Right. This was truly the bottom, though, and the low, the lower low, the higher levels, relative strength. This is some very nice development. Bullish tornado watch. Conditions are right for a bullish tornado. Right, Tim? Daily discernible swing high, man. You know it doesn't really even exist until up here. I mean, like, dude, that none of that stuff here, there. Ooh, thunder getting loud, man. High to low. Let's go candle close to candle close. Can't go the wick. If that's the case, man. If this truly is the bottom, you got a long way you're gonna. This is definitely, potentially, setting up for higher prices. Fun Connect. Yeah. Yeah, Fun Connect. Golden Zone. And I know it sounds crazy right now, but it always does sound crazy before it happens. But then afterwards, when we get to these areas, people are saying, should I get in there, man? I say, dude, we were talking about this when it was right there, man. 10, there you go, dude. That's it, dude. Starting to break out a little bit of a downsloping structure. I know there's a wick, crazy wick there. I just went with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Made way the most sense on this little structure, okay? Low, lower, okay, so you had bullish evidence on the MACD as well. On the daily time scale. You gotta be kidding me. Tim, dude. Let's go, baby, let's go. Not bad. Yeah, dude, the Night Kings from Lord of the Rings, yeah, dude. Dumbledore was also in Lord of the Rings, too, alright? Auburn +4, take it or leave it. Their stars hurt now. I'm good, dude. No, I don't. I'll do gentleman bets. I'll do straight ups. I don't want to do points. I'm gonna do points, dude, because I haven't done any research, and I'm not worried about it. I don't want Kentucky to win and only win by 3, and then like, oh, I'll lose $20, right? I'm good. I'll probably regret it, but whatever, man. It's all good, dude. So Crypto Cotter, man. What Head and Shoulder are you talking about, dude? That's right here, Coffee. We'd love it, man. We love it. Otherwise, no thanks, man. Sorry, dude. I've missed some chat, so. Okay, I guess only a little bit of chat, not much. Yeah, dude, we're looking for the zone, man. All right, looking for the zone on XRP to BTC, bro. All right, Crypto Cotter, man. Fun, actually, believe it or not. Problem is, though, like, you're breaking out and you're so high on the RSI on the daily, dude. You're like at 68. I hate that, man. It's really annoying, dude. Really annoying. Well, you're going to see it, man. It's got all the makings of a varsity athlete where you have that low and then the lower low, but it's just barely lower. It's just so exhausted. The selling pressure is so pathetic. And when you have all this pathetic selling pressure, you have this going on, dude. That is just So nice, man. That's like that's it, dude. That's the key to the city on so many trade setups, on the Momo shifts. That, this, and that. Whatever. All right. Talk about Fun Connect. Yeah, I know, Stuart, and I didn't even know the guy was injured until someone said it in chat. Thanks a lot, whoever it was in chat, for ruining both our blisses, or something. Oh yeah. Dude, it's thundering pretty hardcore over here now, man. Bring it on, dude. Bring on the storm. If we must, I know we can. No big deal, dude. No big deal at all. Oh my god, man, it's thunder and lightning and storming, oh my. Here we are, dude. Ugh. Ugh. Holy crap, dude. Should I get another beer? Or should I just say screw it? Chat, let me know. Thanks. Use your joystick to control me. I am a robot. A TA robot. I did Fun Connect. Cygirl is not a ticker, okay? Oh, fireworks? Really? Well, Bradford said it. Definitely. Boom. Kangs and queens. Thanks for the 100 likes, y'all. Freaking love y'all. Y'all are amazing. Seriously. I just don't know. I just don't know what I'd do without y'all. Alright. Yeah, maybe so, dude. Maybe so. It's got that. Oh, man. It just kind of reminds me of BTT. It's so scrubby, man. It's so scrubby, Cotter, man. You get it, man. It's like the high, the retrace, then you run up again, and then you sell off, and look where you are. You're at a 78% retrace. And the selling pressure is so pathetic, dude. It's so weak, man. Whoa, what the? I don't know, man. Selling pressure is weak, but negative momentum's picking up. And really, like, you do have a little bit of bullish divergence now, do you not? Just a little bit. Okay, so you do have some daily RSI bullish divergence on Bitcash Connect SV. Okay, so the thing is on B, I think you retraced too far. Maybe. Actually, I don't know. I don't think so. Hold on. I think this is actually pretty lit, dude. And I just like freeballed this one a second ago. Give me a sec. Hold on. Because this is closer to a 60% retrace, 61% retrace. Come on, dude. Where's it at? Let me in. Just enjoy the music, dude. This is... I'm losing my freaking mind. Okay. 88% retrace, alright. 62% retrace, roughly. 78% retrace. Yeah, dude, this is like Gartley stuff. Bullish Gartley stuff, man, okay? And then you got, okay, 1414 area. Look where you are. You're not the 786, but you are the 1414 through extension, Mr. Cartier. Mr. Cartier. Alright, dude, if this is the entry, this is where one would take their entry. I mean, you do have a zone, right? 76.6%. That's pretty close, man. So he can keep it pretty tight. Let's fib it though. If this is the low, and I don't really know. Jeez, man, and there are no freaking wicks down here, so you can't even use the wicks up here for fibs. Jeez. So this is gonna be really, really conservative. Okay. And pretty much at that entry, I guess, right? Hey, Crypto Evil 911, thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to House Harmonic, man. Kings. Well, I'm trying to get this. It's not easy. Getting it to be equal on the selling. Hold on. Okay, perfect. Second target, 618. And then third target, you get it, right? You get the third target. The Honda. Yeah, it's off just a little bit. Sorry. There you go, man. Alright, so any kind of Gartley like that, same standard stuff. You're using critical thinking here with a little bit of RSI, daily bullish divergence, slightly lower lows. At what? Between a zone of the 786. See, the thing is, right, the 786 is right here. So, oops, my bad. Bobby, man, oh my god.
Is that a
Mitch
joint?
is like B&B. B&B is rocking and will make kings. Mitch is teaching people to be kings. Get another beer, Mitch. Can't we have a Cygirl ticker? Why not Mitch?
Bob Field, man. We'll give it a shot. We'll see if Cygirl actually shows up on TradingView. After I finish the analysis, I'm almost done, of Bitcoin Connect Cash, Bitcoin Cash Connect, Stranglethorn Veil, World of Warcraft SV. That's all I know SV of. Okay, yeah, we'll look at it, dude, and yeah, I'll look at a beer. I'll get another beer. Okay, dude. Thanks, brother, man. Dude, you're the top session, Jesus, man. $39.99 on the evening. Thank you, dude. Thanks. Thank you, Bob. Seriously, man. It means a lot. All right, I'll get you that beer in a sec. All right. So, Bob, man. Tim, man. You were right, Tim. You were right, dude. Right? It's 786, so as long as your stop is a little bit, but you could just move it down as much as you need. Remember, 3-to-1 reward to risk is the cutoff. I mean, for these swing trades, I think. Just because maybe it was a shorter term trade or something, it could be 2-to-1. But I feel like with opportunity cost, you know, it could just take too long to get there to that stop out. So, opportunity cost, it's kind of a big deal. So you want to keep that in consideration. That's why 3-to-1 is really good. Okay, so there you go, man. Like this. Esque. Okay. Bullish Gartley-esque with an entry between the 1414 and the 786. Kangage with the bullish divergence. That's not bad. Dude, that's really not that bad, Tim, dude. And I'm going to actually, wow. Okay. Bitcoin Cash Connect. SV edition. It's going to get longer and longer, dude. The longer we're in crypto, the more you're going to have BCH, SV, T5, 7, 12, 47, 57, 12 and a half. All right? Okay. Pretty lit, dude. Pretty cool, man. Let's give it a shot, dude. Let's give it a shot, man. All right. Patrons, take a look at chat. Okay, Cygirl. There it is. It's Cygirl, oh my god. It doesn't let me draw on these, though. Yeah, invalid symbol. Doesn't let me draw. Give me 2 seconds. I'll get this other beer, okay? 3, 2, 1. King. Okay, return. Thanks so much. Thanks again, Bob, man. Okay, so yes, BNB to USDT, it is surpassing the 100% retrace as we speak and breathe right now. 1750, we're up 11 cents right now from that area. If we do break this, understand the target really is gonna be 2113. I know it sounds insane right now, but you got to get the fact there is no resistance until you hit that area. And that's not even really a resistance, it's the only resistance you have until really you get to the 1414, which is the candle high close of all-time highs back from January 2018. Okay, so if we do break this, man, you have to understand we can have a very nice runaway on our hands on BNB. It is primed and poised for it. Okay, that's literally it. Wow, man. Wow, thanks. 88, baby, yeah. VeChain doing things. Yeah, it is, baby. It's been doing things, baby. We've been doing things. We are Kangs on VeChain. We've been Kangs too. Alright. Dude, it's so nice. These altcoins. Oh my god, man. They're gonna come back. You know, in the history of the world spoken about it? Isn't Tesla's like the nano thing? Like it does like the cold storage and all that, man. They make like the hardware. I can't even remember like for cold storage, right? I think I'm barking up the right alley here in that situation, but I might be wrong. Okay. You tell me, dude. You tell me. Thanks to the 140 some people tuned in. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the live stream. If you're enjoying the fact that BNB is surpassing the 100% retrace right now and might be poised for a very nice runaway to at least $21. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much for being here, everyone, okay? Enjoy your beer or marijuanas, whatever it is, your weapon of choice. Kangs, okay?
Can you try .ion/BTC on Bittrex, man? Alexa, play Tatiana by Blueface.
Tatiana isn't included with Prime, but is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Play over 50 million songs on this Echo spot.
Alexa,
Amazon Music.
exit. Sorry, it's not my fault. Don't get mad at me, man. Get mad at Alexia. I had to say that so it doesn't trigger, dude. Tatiana. Will my stream get taken down for that? I don't know. I just don't know. Remember, BNB, the beep, I'm adding an alert. The beep will get beeped real quick, I'm sure, soon enough anyway. Ion on Bittrex. I've actually looked at this before. Are you kidding me? Wow, probably 3 horizontal lines. All right, let's do this, baby. Oops. I've actually looked at this one time long ago and many, many galaxies away. Dude, where's the structure, man? I mean, I guess I can... Dude, you can't even use fib extensions, man. What do you... I don't even know what I'm supposed to do here. Like, look, fib extension, there's no real... I guess you could do this low to high. It's not even making sense, dude. Okay, you were at the 141 or 1272 for a little bit, sold off. Dude, you're just going down, down, down. Johnny Cash, be danged. Okay. All right. To me, man, IOTA or Ion, thought, whatever you said, pretty decent resistance all over the place on the heart line. I got over and over and over, and you finally broke it, dude. Yeah, you did break it, but your issue is, and nice volume came in too, but like, dude, you're still within the parameters of it. Okay, you can't see the wick, I don't think, on your screen. I need to go 4K, man. This wick, there's one wick here and another wick here. It's like 2 wicks. And the reason I like those wicks is because of the heart line we're getting, the heart line respect we're getting Not even above the 200-day moving average, which is at 6,372 sats. Again, you were overbought, barely doing anything at all. Dude, I mean, yeah, I get it, right? Let's all eye this. That looks extremely bad, right? That looks like you're just asking to get destroyed. And really the way... see, I don't know, man, because this is so weird. Let's go to candle close to candle close, okay? If we do candle close to candle close, dude, you can't even make a real retrace, right? You can't even do it, man. Like, it doesn't even make sense. This is negatives, dude. This is very weird, dude. Okay, but I get it. Impulse up, upsloping consolidation, slightly upsloping consolidation. It does look very like, it's like poised, yeah, ready to get dumped, man. Okay, and how you would fib it. I guess that it's kind of discernible of a swing high to low. If it ever was to break to the upside, which I don't know. 236 to now is 995 or 955, dude. You're giving me a tough one, dude. All right. So many. Oh, it's so insane, man. So insane. If you were to break this channel and you were to break the 200-day moving average, good luck on both of those. This is like an impossible mission, dude. 10,955 is a 23% retrace, and your 38% retrace, 15,619. And then your golden retrace, the golden top of the golden zone, 23,156. Best of luck to you on your impossible mission to the moon, man. Okay, dude, I don't think you have the supplies or artillery to do it, man. But yeah, you did have some nice daily bullish divergence, and I'm going to take that away from you. Congratulations. Congratulations on your journey. You had some tail end bullish divergence on the MACD. Low, slightly lower low. That's all you got, man. That's all you got going for you, dude. Best of luck, dude, on your ragtag adventure. They should make a Disney movie about Ion to BTC on Bittrex, okay? Be great, man. Be the best thing since Hannah Montana or something. Okay? Okay. Anyway. Stuart, I don't know, man. I don't know if I can keep up, all right, with that. Since you asked. I don't know. He wants to fight me? Good, dude. Let him. I will destroy him. It's going alert.
Plays sirens, coin alerts, community, close your eyes and ears. Can we evaluate cloak coin? Please smile.
Hey, Sharuba. Dude, thanks for the 423 of Litecoin. Thanks, dude. The cryptocurrency contribution, man. Thanks, dude. Cloak Connect. Misspelled cloak. Cloak. Oh, God, dude. Dude. I remember this one was hilarious. S-Coin Connect. Yeah, dude. Like, what? What is the alert, dude? What's the alert, man? What'd it do? It broke to the upside and hit a 50-day moving average? Like, what? If we're looking at this on the 10-second chart, it looks pretty good, right? Oh my God. Look at this huge close in reverse bearish engulfing candle at a critical simple moving average. You're rejecting it like crazy, dude. Mother of God. Like, again, man, fib extensions, like, you know, you'd fib it, candle close to candle close. You fell below the 1272. Okay, you should back testing the 1272 or something. Oh, was there some sort of gap or something? That's so weird, man. Yeah, have fun with this one, dude. Okay, have fun. I don't even know what to tell you, dude. Please, if you cherish your gains or your money, this thing, just leave it alone. It was delisted from Binance, one of the big scrub 5. Okay, there's probably better areas of support down here at the 1618 fib extension, 4850 than here. Just let it keep dumping, dude. Who cares? Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Like, how am I supposed to do this, man? It's like that. It's more like this, dude. Oh, such a joke. Okay, I guess. 1 and 2 and 1. Terrible, dude. I just... Sharu, man, what are you doing to me? What are y'all doing to me? Freaking S-Coin alert. You got Cloak Connect. Jeez. Killing me, dude. Killing me. Theta Connect. Falling wedgish. Support. Divergence. Huh. Yeah, on the daily though, it doesn't look like anything though, man. It doesn't look like crap. Hey, dude, this thing's already had its fun, man. Like, it really already did have its fun. And you're like... Vacheslav Binka, thanks for welcome to House Harmonic, dude. Kangs, bend the knee, dude. Bend the knee. Respect the TA. Okay, so Theta Coin Connect. It had its fun in the sun, did it not? Selling off incessantly. Hey, you know what, man? You know what, dude? Give me a sec. Let me take this to this other chart. Sorry. Let me give me 2 seconds ago. Weird. Really, really weird here. The bottom of the golden zone, 68% retrace. I just had to clean it up on my side a little bit. Jeez, man. That's so crazy, dude. So much spring cleaning to do on this chart. It's like out of this world. Okay, so it's really, really hard to think about in this situation, because if you look at it like this, right, on a daily time scale, look at all the negative momentum you have, and look how you're 39, you're in bearish territory, and you're not even close to being oversold yet. Though you might pop to the upside, it might not be much. And yeah, you are holding some sort of support back from June of 2018, man. I get it. But, you know, maybe on the 4 hour, it looks like something. The daily, I don't see any kind of structure except maybe some sort of X, A, B, C, D or something, or X, A, B, C, D. But I think you retraced, you're way too high. I don't even think there's a formal pattern, okay? I don't think there's a formal harmonic in this situation. You've broken up sloping structure, a channel, you're back testing. No weak support. If you do break to the upside, it's most likely going to be a much lower high. You're going to sell off again. You've surpassed the 618, 786, 2040. Seems likely. All right, so if you don't hold this, yeah, see 4 hour divergence. That means you might pop for a small move to the upside before selling off again. Very small pop, like nothing, and then go down again. All right, so I don't know, man. This one's like kind of like, if you want to mess with it, you very well can. But I see, man. I see you're saying 4 hour falling wedge of some sort. This is Mr. Katia. Mr. Katia, ignoring that wick. It looks like that. And you're getting this. Yep, you're getting MACD bullish divergence. And RSI bullish divergence, but the daily looks so bad still. It just looks terrible still. And there's so much negative momentum that you might pop to the upside. And if this is the case, all right, Cotter man, you just go from the height of the structure to your low point, but we don't even know if this is the swing low yet. It could just keep selling off over and over and over, more and more and more. All right, so we have no idea if this is the swing low. Are we double bottoming? Class B bullish divergence, maybe. We broke the upside. Katia men. First target. And gosh dang it. Second target. If that's how you're going to play the wedge, play it like that. Or if you're going to do the measure move, it's probably prudent to do a measure move here. It's such a small pattern. Whatever, you can do it. It's probably about the same. Oh my god. Measure move. Ugh, there you go. It's in between 50% and 62% retrace for your targets. All right, Mr. Katia, if you're going to play the 4 hour like this at a support level, have at it, Haas. Here are your targets. Have at it, dude. Gangs. Mr. Katia, man, let me know if that helped, dude. I don't know. Just tell me, dude. Let me in. Ooh, Engine Coin Connect. I see Drew Cruz up in here. He bought, dump it. Dude, y'all are ridiculous. No, good perspective, Mr. Cotter, man. Good perspective. On a daily, you can't even see it. You can't even tell, right? But here, what is Apex? What you talking about, Vlad? Vlad Constantine, dude. Apex. Here's Apex. This is Apex, dude. Apex. That is Apex. That is Apex. The Apex. Two converging trend lines. The Apex. Right? Apex? Crap. If you really want me to do it, man, I'll do it hardcore somewhere else. Mr. Constantine, dude. Mr. Constantine. Mr. Katia. That's an Apex. That's an Apex, okay? Apex. Also an Apex. Okay, Apex. Constantine, dude, let me know if that helped, okay? Okay. Kangs. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm down, dude. I'm freaking down. Wow. Let's see how it plays out, man. Let's see how it plays out. Sorry. On things. Doing things. Stream miracles before Scour, dude. Yeah, I guess so, dude. Edward Park almost 5K subs. Yeah, we're getting there, man. You never know, man. Like, hey, I'm grateful for the subs I've gained, I guess, in the past 8 days. It's been well over, I think, 400 subs in a 8-day period. More growth than we've seen since the beginning of this channel. So yeah, happy about it, but you never know when that stuff's gonna slow down. You just never know. I changed the formula up with the condensed videos, and it's working miraculously, dude. Like, how could that ever be the case? That is what it is that makes sub growth happen, dude. Like, sure thing, Sharuba, dude. Hit the taco. Thanks for tacos, Julia. Attention, XRP is now 31 cents. Oh my god, breaking news. Stewart, man. Thanks, Frantic Rock, man. Appreciate it, dude. I don't think funny is the word. I think goofy is the word, right? I'm more goofy than funny. Okay. So, Mr. Speedy, dude. Gonna look some chat. I haven't been able to look chat. What's up, Zipper, dude? Good morning to you. Good evening to you. Alright, over here. Sorry, dude. I'm trying to get this, man. I'm trying to get through it all, alright? So salty dog, man. Thanks, dude. I appreciate the kind words, man. Really means a lot, alright? Thanks, dude. Connect coin, Renee? Exactly. Cicero, thanks for joining House Harmonic, man. Bend the knee, respect the TA. Oh my god. Give me a sec. Doing things, alright? Doing things. Bear with. Jeez, man. Jeez. Dang, man. It almost looks like it, dude. Too deep, man. Too deep. Not gonna work. Not gonna work. Okay. Augur, Honey Badger. Down subbing channel, you broke out of it. Nice. Making a lower high than your previous high. Uh-oh. But double bottoming. It looks like Adam and Eve-esque, at least. You have not even come close to hitting the top of it, so it's still not even a valid pattern. That's cool, though. I mean, you know, whatever. You get a nice break, and you're selling off pretty hard. You just, look, there's another resistance right here. You just can't break it. So, I don't really know what you're developing right now. It seems like you had some sort of, I don't know, descending triangle, and you broke out bullishly? Okay. And then it was like this. Excuse me. And there you go. Measure move of a descending triangle played out, and you sold off, and you're all the way back down inside of it. Okay, some sort of structure. Okay, so that double bottom, the apex or the top, right? The pinnacle is up here, and you have to break that. Measure move of that would be insanely high, but there you go, man. Just not happening. High to low, you retraced probably 68% of the way, and sold off. All right, man. So really looks like I don't know, man. Like if you do 1 and 2, doesn't make sense. You broke out, but you're still out. But even here, 1, 2, right? You broke out, and now you're back. Okay, so. Higher lows though. Look, I think the main thing is don't fall below 31.27 or you're pretty much screwed. But if you can stay above it for long enough, yeah, you should maybe get another run to the upside. Okay, that's it, man. What do I do with this wick? How do I fib? How do I even freaking fib, dude? This high to low. What do we do? Oh, go figure. You know, really the trade is like, okay, good. I mean, we see that the trade's kind of over, right? If you from the height of the structure to the bottom point, you hit a golden retrace, right? You know, our golden zone, the major retrace from 382 into 618. If you hit it, man, that's it. That's where people take profit. They did take profit, and look, as you can see, we've never even hit that again. Ran up to the 50% and making just lower highs now. Okay, so whatever. It's all right, I guess, right? Just enjoying myself on a Saturday evening with you fantastic peoples, okay? Stellar's Lucifer's coin. No, Kin coin is Lucifer's coin. Kin coin 666. If you tip $6.66, you get the Lucifer coin. Okay, in the jar. Dude, I just like rewinded in chat. That's so weird. Dude, what happened, man? Oh my god, it's Altcoin, man. Kangs, dude, where were you for Jeopardy night, man? You were literally on our Jeopardy show. Did you not know this, man? Someone show him a screenshot. Now.
Veach ain't doing things.
Kangs, baby, Kangs. Let's go, dude. Let's go. We running again. Why are we running again? Well, we already hit our target. Second target of our trade setup. Bradford. Golden Zone. We know we have not hit it yet. Golden Zone's 167 to 207. Not there yet. That's it, man. What do you expect, man? We've been looking at this, analyzing this forever now. Once we broke the structure, we got more data. We got the double bottom. Then we got the higher low. And then we said we had the sell wall, right? We had the horizontal trend line, and then you had the upsloping trend line that converged into the apex, Constantine, the apex, and then we broke it. Okay, measure move of this pattern, the ascending triangle, was right here at 152 sats. How high have we gotten in the run? 152 sats. Thank you very much. Please clap. But we know that's not it. We know that's not the golden zone. We know that's just slightly above the most shallow retrace. The only discernible swing high is back from September, early September. Bibfield, man.
BNB is on Viagra and we may have an emergency if it lasts over 4 hours. I am strapping in and preparing for liftoff. Ground control to Major Mitch. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Ground control to Major Mitch.
Oh, it feels so good!
Thanks, dude. For the 666, the inverse Jesus contribution, or the Lucifer contribution, dude. The Kin coin in the jar, dude. I know it's not the... It's like hard to tell. It almost just looks like ADA. We'll just say, until Iconic the group comes back, we'll just say it's Cardano. Cardano is in the jar right now, because you can't even tell. The only way you could tell is if you tip 6666, and then it's like the largest of large Kin coin. Then you can actually tell it's Kin coin in the jar, okay? But for now, it just looks like Cardano. So whatever, man. Such a beautiful, beautiful gift, though. Jalen did a wonderful job on it. It was brilliant. Okay. What happens with the coin, Vlad? Well, dude, when you normally don't want to touch the apex. Normally, you want to get. Volkowski says you want to get Thomas Volkowski between the 50% and 75%. Maturation of a pattern, right? You want to get between 50% and 75% of the way to the apex, and normally in that range is when you would break out to the upside or downside. Earth Ferguson, thanks so much for joining House Harmonic. Bend the knee, respect the TA. Kangs. Oh my god, swear fealty to the TA, man. Alright, anyway. So yeah, dude, yeah, it's really like that, Constantine, man. I hope that helps. Yeah, Salty Dog, this one's for you, though, dude, okay? It's for you, dude. And if we need to show it again, we will. If you really want to see it, Bradford will be happy. Give me a sec, okay? Okay. If I can ever find it. Oh my god. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the ascending triangle was set. It was caught. Bradford was like, what? Raymond, could it be? And we say, yeah, it could very well be, man. And then we do this.
Veach ain't doing things.
Fan freaking tastic, baby. Let's go, let's go.
Is that a joint?
Just a beer, just a beer. Yeah, V-Chain is doing things, man, for real. It's like the most appropriate sound clip of all time. All right. Interesting. Okay, sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, man. Okay. Get it, dude. Let's wait for 167, dude. And be kings. That's it. Literally it. IOST did things. It did things. But we're still at resistance points. You get too high too fast. It's going to be tough, man. Really is going to be tough, man. Cope with Hendel? Pretty much, yeah. It's like big brother of little brother. Little brother was back here. And then the same people, I think, same people 1 year later doing the same stuff. Setting it back up for Kangage. And we think in the longer term, more midterm, whatever you want to call it, I think the Kangage TA respect from the high point to low point is between 391 and 564. It's going to take a while, dude. It could take us a month or two to get there because it's all relevant. Again, I say it over and over and over again. It's all relevant to what? It's all relevant to the amount of time we spent developing a structure, a downsloping structure. We're out of it now, finally. So us getting to these fib nodes is not going to happen overnight. I mean, sometimes it does in crypto, sometimes, very rarely. But dude, even you can't even see it, man. You know, we were up 20% yesterday. 20%, you can't even tell. It's like, oh, really? It was up 20%, man? And it was down like 5% yesterday, and now today it's down 1. So it's down like 6.3% or something like that since it was up 20%. All right, so who cares, man? Just it hit the top of the channel. It's gonna happen. Got a channel going on too. Beautiful respect. You get a horizontal line resistance from September 1st and the upsloping resistance, right? So confluent resistance points. Confluence was the meeting of two rivers, dude. Converging resistance points, upsloping resistance with horizontal line resistance. Kangs. It's going to be a stronger resistance. That's it. All right. Yeah, dude. That's true. Alex, man, very good job on the interview with Bob Way. Bob Way. Which way? Bob's way. That's right, Danny. Danny White, man. Miss Shaver. What's up with these emojis, dude? I see the stars, and then I see the Miss Shaver. That's the sand with an umbrella, dude, right? Thanks, Zipper, dude. What's up, Epic Eddie, dude? Did anyone do something for the first time today? I didn't do a first of all time, okay? No. Did you? Did you do a first of all time today? Like for the first time ever? Sorry. Gosh dang it. Oh my god. Okay, so Y'all get it? Do y'all understand what's happening here? Momentum shifting. We know that not only because we broke out of the downsloping structure, but we also rounded out, and the symmetry involved. Look at this, man. From August, mid-August to mid-November, from mid-January to really the end of March, dude. Time scale, pretty similar. All I did was mimic this to here, and look what's happening. It's crazy, man. Symmetry is a big deal, man. I don't know. Like, I just like symmetry. It makes me feel better because when I see symmetry, that makes things, to me, look more textbook. And the more textbook something is, the higher percentage chance other people around the world will interpret it the same way that I might be interpreting it. Okay, so symmetry is a really strong thing to me. I like symmetry. I like the way time goes by on one side to the other. All right? Or something where you could print it out and put it on your wall and it looks beautiful, right? Yeah. You slept in until 6 p.m. Gosh dang, Danny White, man. That's... Dude, it's so beautiful. It's been so beautiful outside, man. You have one auger in one of your old walls, dude. You better start digging, dude. Start digging, dude. Stepping out of the comfort zone is very hard, but very fulfilling for self-growth. It's the only way, CC. There's no other way to self-grow. You have to step out of your comfort zone, man. Every time. But the beauty is, when you step out of the comfort zone, just like everything else in life, say you brush your teeth 22 times in a row, right? You make your bed 22 times in a row. You work out or run 22 times plus in a row. If you start getting out of your comfort zone 22 plus times in a row, it just starts becoming habitual. We are habitual beings. So you just get out of the comfort zone. Eventually, getting out of the comfort zone becomes comfortable. Yeah. Legit, man. Legit. It's cool, dude. Dash over 105, baby. Can't say we didn't see it coming, Stuart, man. Digging this music, man. My delay is bad. And it's not my delay, it's like I analyze charts, and so like I don't like ignoring chat either. So like I'll leave chat where it is, and then I'll just like pick up where I left off, and it's like really far behind, right? Gonna own the WebEx if he takes us there? Yeah, man, gonna own it, dude. No, Cobman the King and others will. So, anytime, Honey Badger, man. Thanks for being here. Brian G is also getting too high too fast, so you're probably overbought on your bongolator. Not your oscillator, your bongolator. Okay, man, be careful, dude. Okay, man. TRX, baby. No Nucleus rig, sorry. TRX is a scam. Big scam. Justin Sun picks his boogers in his hotel rooms and is a liar. He lies to us Westerners, try to steal money from us, dude. Screw Justin, scum. Okay, man? No thanks. I'm not down with them. All right? I was neutral until I saw the Tesla scam. And that all happened. That all transpired pretty much yesterday. And no thanks anymore. I'm done with them. I'm done. Like, benefit of the doubt, hey man, just some Chinese guy, Jack Ma, trying to make a name in crypto. No, he's just a blatant liar, scammer, dude. No thank you, dude. Okay? Screw them. All of them. And you can let them know. Okay? Screw Tron Connect. Whatever. I'm sure Alex Cobb agrees. Whatever, dude. I'm sure he was following it too. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Johnny Private Man? What's up, Satoshi Nakamoto, man? Dude, restream's annoying, dude. Oh my god, it's Vanish, man. Oh my god, Grandma dead, dude.
Time means nothing in the crypto Kaidojo. Shaping the minds of the young through spreading the crypto BC and karate to the unwilling. Greenville, Alabama is the crypto capital of the USA. Could you look at Oaks, please?
Oaks. Yeah, dude. Yo, dude, we'll look at OX, man, again, dude. Open axe to BTC. Yeah, dude, yeah. That's all it took. That was all she wrote. The double bottom that we had charted and set up already. We ran, we exceeded it, and we dumped. And look where we are now. Scrubbage, dude. Phil. Scrubbage. I mean, it was literally a trade. Like, I think this was just a trade. OAX was a trade, and it's nothing more than that. It's nothing more. Do you understand, man? I'm saying to you, pathetic. Trash can coin, yet. Whatever, dude. What? Critical supports? What? Kangs? Pretty much, man. I wonder what happens with this, dude. 1 and 2. It was a breakout, man. Oh my god, we broke out. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Does it matter? Fine. High to low. Where'd you go? 50% retrace. So you hit the 50% retrace. Beautiful. That's it. That's all that happened. Nothing special, dude. You hit a common retrace and sold off. Charles Dow would be like, told you. I frickin' told you. I'm Charles Dow, dude. I'm part of the Dow Jones Industrial, dude. That's how cool I am. He'd have said that to you. Phil, Billy, Kangs. Did you talk to your storm chasers, dude? You don't think I forgot, dude. Every night before I fall into REM cycle sleep, I think and dream. Well, I start beginning to dream about tornado chasing. Okay, dude. What? 350 cents, True Crew, man? Yeah, dude. Shoot, man. You're like, OX, baby, yeah. Double bottom played out wonderfully. Also from the major high to low, 50% retrace. That's it. No structure. Nothing's developed. It's just scrubs. Scrubbage, dude. Scrubbage. Okay. OX connect. Open Inks connect. For Drew Crew, the Kang man. I got you, dude. Look at that, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, dude, I just looked at it like we had an upsloping channel. We broke out with the triangle, and we fell below the 200 moving average. And here we are, big bullish engulfing candle. On what? On what, dude? Well, we had a little low, lower low. Yeah, a little bit of bullish divergence, man. And that's about all you had. Was there some sort of fib? Let's see what your chart looks like, dude. Where did you put? Oh, okay. So this is what Drew posted in chat. Okay. Posted the somewhat sort of falling wedge, I guess. Just not doing the wicks. Well, using a wick, candle closes on the daily. And then it seems as though we have bounced. There you go, another one, another way of looking at it, and there it is. So yeah, I guess you look at it like that. I don't like the fact that, well, I mean, see, the thing is, you're ignoring this candle close, you're using this candle close, you're ignoring this wick, but you're using this down here. But the thing is, this had not developed any sort of swing low yet, which now it might be. That is true. How did you know, right? I just look at it like we broke out of a triangle and we fell below the 200 moving average. Now we're somehow just popping the upside on very, very minimal volume right now. Right? So just like I just used wick 1 and 2 and really 3 before we broke it. And then we back tested this too. 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times, and then sold off. And maybe we come to back test and sell off again, but probably not. I just think that maybe you got a little exhausted, right, Drew? You got exhausted because you are the Red Sox, and the Red Sox did win the World Series, dude. Just saying, man. You get a little exhausted, and then you break to the upside. And then you become Kangs for a little bit, right? But, hey, trying to break it back above that 20 moving average, but showing a little bit of selling pressure right there at that faster fib node, or not fib node, but moving average, and you're still well below the 50, excuse me, right at 41.63. So you got to get above both these moving averages. You can see these faster scale moving averages are catching up with the candles, and soon you will be getting a death cross and 20 bearish crossover of the the 20 and the 200, excuse me. So I just feel like the run was stupendous, but it's just engine coin. It's really not that special. It's just another asset that pumped, and it's selling off a little bit now. But now it's moving the upside because the Weekend Warrior Edition. That's it, dude. But Drew, man, freaking love you, man, and thank you so much just for all the support, and thank you just for being part of the Patreon and just being an awesome guy. Thank you, dude. All right. Kang's on engine, somewhat, right? To some degree. Working out for Drew Crib, man. Drew, you're pumping it by yourself, dude. It's the Red Sox, dude. The Red Sox bought in, man. Look at it. Sorry. Let me catch up with some chat, and then we'll just roll on the river. Wow, I missed a decent amount of chat. Are you serious? Oh my god. Sorry. What's up, Johnny Profit Bit, dude? XRP Min. XRP has been in a slow death spiral. Dude, it's okay, XRP Min. It's okay, man. It's really not that big a deal. Really, not a big deal. Slim Shady, what's up, dude? XRP on fire. Dude, that could mean literally the opposite of itself, right? It could be terrible or good at the same time. Okay. What's up, JR, dude? JR, man. Kings. Nucleus Rick, what's up, dude? Sorry, man. I'm just like behind. I'm trying to like catch up. I'm trying to like make sense of where I was at in chat. Sometimes it sucks. I'm trying to figure that out. What's up with the CXS views? What you talking about, CXS? MF? You talking about CX? Like CX Network? What are you talking about, dude? Do I think we're going to retrace above the 312? What is the 312? That's not even a thing, Omega Media Group. You mean 382? And what context do you speak? Because that's very vague. Because we are going to retrace. Are you talking about we are as in XRP? Because that is the topic of conversation? Or are you talking about Bitcoin? What say you, dude? What say you on your discussion of 312 Mondays and things? Okay, dude? Cobman the Kang dude knows what I'm talking about. We are here. Tooltip, thumbnail, whatever. Yeah, eggplant, Julia. Oh yeah, it's either Greg Morgan or you, dude. Scourman. Okay, dude. Dude, I just want I want to be shown the ropes, and then I can be self-sufficient in storm chasing. Okay, that'd be nice. And then do TA at night. All right. And then TA throughout the off season. All right. Oh my god, dude. So Justin. Good and terrible, Julia. Good and terrible. Have we looked at Dash? Yes, we've looked at Dash multiple times. Yes. Absolutely. Dash is doing things. Dude, I know, dude. I know. You don't tell me, dude. You just read emerging, dude? I don't know, man. Not really. It's just 5 o'clock. Should I literally raise her tomorrow? It's gone again, dude. Easy stuff, dude. We're gonna defeat. Y'all are gonna defeat Manchester City. That team sounds. Oh, wow. He says that Manchester City sounds like a gay word. Really, dude? Does it? Okay, because you call them Man City. You're the one that chooses to shorten their names. All right, man. So it's on you, dude. It's almost, dude. Again, you're shortening the names. Manchester, dude. It's not Man United, dude. All right. Come on, I am a completely objective observer, okay, over here. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. KNC, dude. I really hated how that thing popped too high too fast. It was like... Dude, it's just not... Oh, I hate pops like that, man. It just... Almost looks like it's just flagging now, like bear flagging after that crazy impulse down. But yeah, I mean, it could. Gosh dang it, dude. It's like a really nice looking bear flag. And that pisses me off. I don't see any bullish development on KNC. Okay, I wish I did. I wish it was like, yeah, dude, totally, man. It looks like a great setup, man. It just doesn't. It's like, okay, we broke out beautifully, and then like in the short term, it's like huge impulse, and you sell off, and like, look, it's just like, impulse down, upsloping consolidation. You've hit near the golden zone. Just like gross, man. There's nothing really on the oscillators helping us. Whoa, what the? We did have bullish divergence. How did that play out? Bullish divergence played out, right? We broke to the upside, making higher lows, higher highs. But again, that's like scrubby. That's consolidation that is bearish, right? Remember, impulse down. You would contrast the impulse with your consolidation. That's technically what we're doing right now. So we could break down again, but man, I don't want to see us fall below 58.87. Okay. It's just so beautiful, man. What a nice breakout. Okay. Other people would argue that there's some sort of channel going on, right? You would actually, I don't even know how people could argue that. Like 1 and 2 down here. What are you gonna do? 3 up here? See, that's what I hate about these spikes. They kind of like ruin any kind of formal, traditional technical analysis. Any way to like chart it. It's very tough, man. Like, there's a resistance point at the 236, right? You hit it and you sold off, and now you're just upsloping your consolidation. So just, dude, I don't know, man. It's not. I'm not seeing anything right now for any kind of good entry, but maybe I'm crazy, dude. Okay. Sorry, man. I wish it was different, dude. I wish it was like, I mean, that was one of our. Dude, we were all up in on that thing, dude. Remember the comparative analysis we did on that in Raven, and then like 2 days or a day later, Kangs. Remember I was in Atlanta on the traveling TA stream, dude. That's right, Julia. See, I like tornadoes because like I can see them and they're not gonna kill me with venom. See, inverse Australia type danger. That's the danger I like. I can see it. It's huge. All right, it's not gonna kill me. See, this is the thing. That's the problem with Australia. It's like all these animals. They have to be like they're like one upping each other on being venomous because they're small, and if the smaller they are, the more venomous they have evolved to be, so they have to kill something real fast because they're so small that they can get killed very easily, right? Oh my god, man, we got a football conversation going on. How'd your wife, how'd your kids? Bitcoin is doing things just like a vehicle doing things mid and airtight into a tornado, Charuba. Is that what I was supposed to say, man? Good guy. What's up, Melissa? How you doing? Glad you're here. Glad you've been live now. 2 hours, 11 minutes. I'm overtime, y'all. I'm overtime. Been here too long. Overstaying my welcome. as it shows. Okay, but appropriate that we're here on XRP, the US dollar, where it all began, where this whole journey, this whole live streaming journey began. Here it is, maybe ending. Okay. Symmetrical triangle, about 85% of the way through the maturation of this triangle, 90% of the way to the apex of the triangle. We should be making moves anytime now. Anytime. According to Bulkowski, our king. Another reason, well, besides the most venomous animals in the world, posted another reason why I don't want to go to Australia in memes and stuff. Okay, and here it is. Okay, here it is. Here's another reason why I don't want to go to Australia. Literally, it's funny you ask. Hold on. Literally Jurassic Park in Australia, dude. Are you kidding me, dude? Don't try me, dude. You're asking the questions, and I've got answers. Okay, dude, this thing, it's freaking dragon, dude. All right, it's like a dinosaur. Meanwhile, in Australia, okay. Crazy that you asked me that, though. What's up, Matevs Bluntar? Yeah, Melissa, I agree with you on that one, okay? I agree with you on that. So, what I think I'm going to do. Ladies and gentlemen, thank y'all so much for being here for so long, for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Y'all are amazing, okay? So, just a little rundown real quick. Sharuba, thank you so much, man, for the cryptocurrency contribution. Jonathan K, Mr. Lodak. Canna Kid, thank you for the Twitch Prime sub. Thanks so much, Billy Man, Bibfield, Kappa, Bobfield, Fatonia, Jack Goff, oh my god, Sakoshi Man, Bobfield again, kills for a living, Dan and Melissa, I love y'all. Chris P. Bacon, get it, Crispy Bacon. Thank y'all so much for the contributions tonight. It means everything because of y'all. I'm able to come back multiple times a day to keep providing you content. I'm able to continue reinvesting everything I've got into this stream to give you better content. So I'll be back tomorrow sometime. Look out for that static video. So until next time, respect the T. Hey. That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.